Welcome back once again. So today we are going to install a LED bulb, the slow beam. So now it is coming like, sorry. The thing is like this. So we are going to install LED for that. So we have to open the hood. So I have opened the hood now. So I have to remove these two screws, this one and this, so that your headlight comes off, because you can't remove the headlights from here. So we have to remove the whole headlight set and install the lights for you on this side and even this side. Wait until I remove this. So you're having a tool inside your spare wheel, near your spare wheel. There's a Allen key for this tool, so you can remove from that using that. So I'll remove it and I'll get back. Okay, now I have removed these two screws. So here you have a connector, so you have to just pull it and take this out so that your headlights comes out easily. Now the whole headlight kit is outside. For removing this, you don't want to remove any bumpers or something in this Polo. You can easily remove this headlight unit. So now we'll be changing this. This is the low beam and this is the high beam. So we'll be changing the low beam one. So you have to open this cover. So this bulb type is H7. So you need to just twist out to your left and you can just pull it out. Just pull it to your left and your headlight will be out. See, this is H7. Or gently pull this light out. I'll show. So I've removed it. Yes. Okay. Please don't touch the filament because in case you want to use it again, so it will work. Now we will get a LED lights, which I got it from Wish. This H7. Yeah, I have installed it. So you have to keep it inside. Long press it and you have to push it to the right side. So once it is done, you have to put this cap back, this one. Okay, now we'll fit it back and I'll get back. So we have fitted back. See, you can see the LED inside. So put all these screws back and make sure you plugged in back. Do the same thing for the other side. This side also. The same what we did here. Okay, the same thing. Now coming to the left side. So I've removed it. The same thing, we have to remove all this rubber things and do the same steps as I have done for this light. Thanks for watching. Please do subscribe to my channel for more DIYs. Now you can see the headlights, so I've installed LED one now. Now it is looking awesome. So later on I will be installing fog lights for the trend line. So please do subscribe to my channel so that I can upload more and more videos like this, modes of the car. Yesterday I have done this sticker. I hope you watched the video. Thank you. Even I have made a video on this parking light. So please do subscribe for more modes on this car.